Hey, what's up? Welcome back, friends. This is KHS for After Effects tutorial channel. Now working with very exciting tutorial how to make Doctor Strange open door in Marvel Studios VFX movies. So let's start. Create a new composition and name it what? Particle door. 5 seconds HD, press OK, double click and select these two images. Then drop this one and zoom out. Okay, now lock this one. Go to Window Workspace, Effects, Reset, Auto and fit your screen. Now right click, create a new solid, name it Particles. Press enter, go to Effects, Trap Code Particular, and then turn off this particular. Create another new circle, Ctrl Shift, press Ctrl Alt Home on keyboard for setting the anchor point to center of object. Okay, now select the shape, turn off the fill and turn on the stroke. Change the color white, press OK and lock this one. So now right click, create another new light, point light. Change the name, must be emitter. Press OK and now Ctrl R, select the circle shape. Create a ruler, one ruler here and one ruler here. Select the light and move the light from here. Start, press P for position and go to second one, move the light at this point, go to second two, move the light down, go to second three, move the light at this point, second four, move the light this point. Okay, select the point, change the handles. Okay, now play. Looking good. Select all of them and press Alt. The endpoint, stop it, second two. I need to continue this one from start. The second point is 15 frames and there is the 15 frames. Move again the light go to second tree, move again the light, select this point and right click, easy ease, or you can delete. So, and now right click, create another new solid, name it Particles, go to Effects, Trap Code, particular. So go to emitter and select the light, choose a name. Emitter, you must change the light name to emitter. Press OK, and then change the velocity 0. Change all to 0. Press Ctrl. Play now. Yeah. Delete the shape layer and select the particles and go to particles. Select glow sphere and change to and set the random size like this and change the color like this. Press OK and go back to aux system. Select continuously and change the size 0.3, and now particle seconds. Set the particle seconds. Play. Looking good. And now change the live seconds like this. Okay, and now change the color like this. Okay, velocity random, velocity distribute, and this is the XYZ. Okay, now go to physics. There is air and change the wind X like this. Change the wind Y and go back to aux system. Change the particle size to 0.2 and go back to turbulence field. Change the effect size a little bit down. Play now. Okay, looking good. Set the particles 1000. Need more particle. Play. Fit your project. And go to size 0.1. Change this one to 1 and .500 particles into seconds. Okay, and now select the particles, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, and now change this one 200 particles. Turn off the continuously and set this particle size 1. Okay, and now set the velocity like this. Okay, now working on live seconds. Select live seconds. Go to live second, press Ctrl down the live seconds. Need more down live seconds. Delete the extra particle, select again this one and change the live second 0.5, not too much down, and select all of these particles, pre-compose particles, press enter and drop effect, glow sphere, drop a glow effect. Double click, select this one and go back to my index. Okay, now let's see. This effect velocity. Press Ctrl, change the size a little bit like this. What about the random and distribution? Okay, looking good. Select another one particles, change it like this and distribute. Okay, and going down, select the size is good, glow sphere, everything is good, and go to size over live, select like this and go to live seconds, good. Turn on both and going here and right click. Before right click, select again the particles and go down, go to aux system continuously and change size 0.1, enter. This is the 0.1, enter, select again and select the next footage, drop here, press S, scale down and now select the image, change the opacity down, press S, scale up, okay, press P for the position, stopwatch, go to in 2 seconds or 3 seconds, move the image like this. like this, and right click, create a new solid, name it circle mask. Press enter, turn off both and select circle. Select the circle mask layer and zoom in. Draw here the mask. Move the mask little bit up by arrow keys. Okay, now turn on both and select track matte by press F4. Alpha matte. Press T for image, change opacity 100. Okay, now close both, select both, move the layers down of the particles. Play now. Okay, now select again, press T. When it's close, stopwatch, go to 10 frame, change to 100. Okay, looking good. And now create another new solid, name it shades. Eyedropper. Press OK. Turn off. Move the image down and select pen tool. Mask this point. Okay, turn on again, and now swallow these two layers. Press Shift plus on keyboard. And now press M for feather. Turn off again the shades. When the lights come, change opacity and go to play now. Select again the shades, select the layers, and select the particles. Ctrl D and drop a glow effect and change the percentage of glow effect like this. And double click, select the particles, line particles, go down, change a little bit bright. Go back to particles, change the color a little bit more darker. Okay, now good. And now render. Okay, play. This is the 80% result. Need more working on this project. Press U. Which one is the position? This one is the position, and move it to end like this. Okay, and now need a floor for the particles bouncing. Close all these and double click, on this particle, right click, create a new solid, name it floor, change the color and change the pixels 2000 and move down, turn on the 3D and rotate, press shift and move down like this. And now go to materials, accept light, turn off the accept light, close again and select the particles and go to down. There is the bounce. um, Select the bounce and change the gravity a little bit down and go to arc system, add bounce event. Okay, bounce event, there is the bounce, turn off this one. When you selected bounce, there is a bounce parameter, select the floor and change to 60, sorry, change to 16, 8 and 8. Okay, when you play, select the floor, move up. Select again the particles, need more particles and change the motion path and go to down, bouncing, there is a bounce, random bounce, slides, play now. Okay, change the velocity and go to rendering, turn on the motion blur, change the motion blur, good, drop another glow effect, great. Go back to particle doors and double click, turn off the flow and okay, need more test, need more rendering, wait please. One thing more, there we have the floor, copy this one and go to these particles, yeah, great. Okay, render for the final result. Okay, let's see the result. Play. Okay guys, let's see the result of the project. Thank you for watching. This is the working with particular and with light on footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you at next time.